Hello viewers, today I am bringing you some idea towards you. It's about design of aeronautic, and here is a design. Yeah, see, even if you are an amateur or a layman for aeronautics, you can design and learn from your design. You see, so trial and check is the best thing for a student or someone who want to train himself. In this design, there is pillars need to be corrected. It's not its wings, but it is back at the tail. But it is not the shape, it's about its area. Yeah, it's smaller, geometrically smaller, so we need to correct it. We have to make it bigger. When I try to fly it, it should be parallel to the ground, but it can't float at the tail, so it's an angle. Like this, it should be parallel like this, but it can't float at the tail, so as it floats at its wings,